Taylor! Taylor! Call a medic! Taylor! Taylor! Call a medic! He's not there. Hey, bud. He's sleeping, dude. I'm just gonna push mine. I'm just gonna push mine.
Open it, open it.
Fuck, I can't get it open. Come here. How are you supposed to get this out on your own? Taylor. It is, I'm pushing it. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Hey, man. He's sleeping, dude. He's sleeping bad. Hey. Hey, dude. Are you okay? You're okay. You're here.
Yeah.
All right, good. I called the tracker for you. You're at King of the Motos, okay?
Yeah.
You fell.
Yeah.
But it was a beginning of the morning race. You're okay.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
It's really good.
You're out, man. You're sleeping pretty bad. You're snoring.
Yeah.
You're okay. You messed your helmet up a little bit, but well, we got like 6 guys with you right now. You're in second.
Can you move your fingers?
Can you move your shit? Are you okay?
Yeah.
What hurts? Your stomach hurts? I mean, you smacked it pretty hard, but your scar's still there. You're good.
I can't get a hold of anybody on the radio. I tried to. Are you all right?
Yeah.
We can get you out here on the helicopter, but we do not. I can't get anybody's.
Well, that was fucked up. You really? Hey. We will, but he needs a truck more. He needs a car or truck or UTV. Okay. All right. Follow us. Yeah, try not to make a bunch of dust. Sorry, Taylor.
Take it easy until you get up here a little bit.
Not far.